Hello everybody, I salute you. My name is Teresa and I'm a consultant with Real Fountain Consultancy. At Real Fountain Consultancy, we do counseling at family level. And out of the research that we've done, we've realized that most of the family problems are stemming out from money management skills. Our families are having what I would call insufficient money management skills. We went to school, we were taught so many things, but we were never taught how to manage our money. And we really do not know much about money. We only know we work and we are paid, and the following day we spend money, and the money is over, and all that. And eventually we start having strained relationships at family level. As a family counselor, I would actually advise people to come to Real Fountain and see what we are doing. We are actually trying to bring families together through having sound skills in money management. And when we talk of money, exactly what do we do with money? There are 6 things around us that we do with money that we are not aware, but if we really understand them, we will have good families. We will have families that have plans, visionary families, and families that reach their goals. Now, the first thing, we earn money. That's why we wake up in the morning. Otherwise, if there was no concept of earning, like I, Teresa, would sleep and not wake up. But we have to look for money. That is what we call earning money. So the money that we have, we've not collected it from anywhere. If a spouse is having a lot of money or one of your children is earning a lot of money, don't misuse it because that money has been earned. Okay, after earning, what are we supposed to do? Not just getting into a shop and buying. We go back home, we plan for that money. Planning for the money is, this is the income that we are having, maybe from our business, from our income generating activities. So what else do we do with the income? We are supposed actually to sit down and see, how do we spend this income? How much do we spend on this? How do we allocate on this? Such that we will not miss a thing with the income. We will not fail to meet any of our responsibilities because the income is there, we have earned it, we are so happy we have the money. Let us now go to the planning level. When you are planning, after planning for that money, it's now when we come to spending. We spend that money on now what we need to spend it on. In spending, we have needs and wants. Needs should come first. I always tell people, when you go to a supermarket, the way things are arranged, you will know what you need and what you want. What you need is usually the first thing: the chocolate, the biscuits, the juices, the sweets. But as you get inside the supermarket, there, right at that corner, is where you find sugar, unga, oil. Those are the things that you really need. So we should actually plan we should plan our spending very wisely, such that we start with our needs before we go to the wants. Now, when you're planning our spending, always know that a coin saved is a coin earned. What do I mean with that? That 1 shilling that I save every day, it's like I have earned it. So when we are doing our budget for the family, always remember, the other thing that we do with the money is saving. Let us try. For every 1,000 shilling that we are spending, can we save a coin? And this will make us actually have some savings. Can we save some money and put it in a bank account or put it in a SACCO account? Okay? Have little money, save little by little, and actually it will actually translate into something. What else do we do with that money that we are saving, or the extra money that we do not need at that particular time? We invest. Good money managers in a family always discuss investments. Always discuss, can we actually put some money aside so that we put it in an investment that will bring us some money? When I talk of investment, I'm not talking of very big things that you're not understanding. It is like rearing chicken, okay? having an income, even having a juicer where we are selling juice somewhere as a family, having some equipment that we are hiring out as a family is an investment. And the coins that we earn from that investment, we can actually use them to meet our recurrent expenditures and also to raise our bar as a family. We should not remain actually at the same level. Our family should actually rise up. Now, when we are still investing as a family and as an individual, there is something that we should think about. The money that we are having, the money that now we are making in our investments, the money that we have saved, why don't we give to charity? Okay? As a family, let's have a giving spirit. At Real Fountain Consultancy, we advise families to spend their money well, to invest well, to look at their ways of earning, and it's at Real Fountain Consultancy where we train people how to manage families very well through sound money management skills. So I would encourage you to join us. My name is Triza, and I'm a consultant in money management skills. I'm also a family counselor, and this is where we combine counseling skills and money management to have good families. Real Fountain Consultancy, supporting money management. We support positive family traits. I do support good families. Do you? Come to Real Fountain. Thank you for being with us.